मेरी जेब खाली है. My pocket is empty. My pocket is empty. मेरी किताब रंगीन है. My book is colorful. My book is colorful. मुझे नई चीज़ें सीखना पसंद है. I love learning new things. I love learning new things. उसे अपनी माँ से मिलना है. She wants to meet her mother. She wants to meet her mother. तुम मुझसे पैसे मांग सकते हो. You can ask me for money. You can ask me for money. खुद को सजा मत दो. Don't punish yourself. Don't punish yourself. उसने मुझसे बात क्यों नहीं की? Why didn't he talk to me? Why didn't he talk to me? तुम बोर हो रहे हो. You are getting bored. You are getting bored. तुम साइकिल चला रहे हो. You are riding a bicycle. You are riding a bicycle. मैं तालाब में तैर रहा हूँ. I am swimming in the pond. I am swimming in the pond. मैं सपने देख रहा हूँ. I am dreaming. मैं सपने देख रहा हूँ. I am dreaming. उसने नया काम शुरू किया है. He has started a new job. He has started a new job. वह बहुत संवेदनशील है. He is very sensitive. He is very sensitive. मैं उससे मिलने के लिए तैयार हूँ. I am ready to meet him. I am ready to meet him. तुमने मुझे सोने नहीं दिया. You didn't let me sleep. You didn't let me sleep. यह कितना महंगा है. How expensive is this? How expensive is this? मुझे तुम्हारा नाम याद नहीं है. I don't remember your name. I don't remember your name. मैं तुम्हें नहीं छोड़ूंगा. I won't leave you. I won't leave you. क्या आपको यहाँ कुछ चाहिए? Do you need anything here? Do you need anything here? मेरा दिल रो रहा है. My heart is crying. मेरा दिल रो रहा है. My heart is crying. मैंने तुम्हारी फ़ोटो ली. I took your photo. मैंने तुम्हारी फ़ोटो ली. I took your photo. यह कहाँ हुआ? Where did this happen? यह कहाँ हुआ? Where did this happen? मैं खुश हूँ कि तुम यहाँ हो. I am glad that you are here. I am glad that you are here. मैंने उसका साथ छोड़ा. I left him. I left him. मेरा नया कपड़ा सुंदर है. My new dress is beautiful. हम बच्चों के साथ रहते हैं. We live with children. We live with children. क्या तुम मुझे समझ सकते हो? Can you understand me? Can you understand me? हम रोज समय पर सोते हैं. We sleep on time every day. We sleep on time every day. तुम वहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing there? तुम वहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing there? हम चाय पी रहे हैं. We are having tea. हम चाय पी रहे हैं. We are having tea. मैं समझ रहा हूँ. I am understanding. मैं समझ रहा हूँ. I am understanding. हम यह सीख रहे हैं. We are learning this. We are learning this. वह उत्साहित हो रहा है. He is getting excited. He is getting excited. तुम्हारी मुस्कान देख रहा हूँ. I am seeing your smile. I am seeing your smile. उसने बहुत मेहनत की है. He has worked hard. He has worked hard. मैं इसे यहाँ रख रहा हूँ. I am keeping it here. I am keeping it here. तुम्हें कहाँ जाना है? Where do you need to go? तुम्हें कहाँ जाना है? Where do you need to go? तुम्हारा हर कदम मेरे साथ है. Your every step is with me. Your every step is with me. उसे खुद करने दो. Let him do it himself. Let him do it himself. मैं तुम्हें दिखा सकता हूँ. I can show you. I can show you. तुम्हारा दिल कौन सा है? Which is your heart? Which is your heart? वह खुशी से गाता है. He sings with joy. वह खुशी से गाता है. He sings with joy. मैंने तुम्हें नहीं भूला है. I haven't forgotten you. I haven't forgotten you. मुझे तुम पर भरोसा है. I trust you. मुझे तुम पर भरोसा है. I trust you. तुम्हारी बातें मुझे पसंद नहीं आती. I don't like what you say. I don't like what you say. तुम्हारा घर कहाँ पर है? Where is your house? तुम्हारा घर कहाँ पर है? Where is your house? वह तुम्हें एक गिफ्ट देगा. He will give you a gift. He will give you a gift. तुम सबको समझा सकते हो. You can explain to everyone. You can explain to everyone. हम आपका समर्थन कर रहे हैं. We are supporting you. We are supporting you. वह गाड़ी चला रहा है. He is driving a car. He is driving a car. उसने मुझसे बात करने की कोशिश की. He tried to talk to me. He tried to talk to me. वह खाना बना रहा है. He is preparing the food. He is preparing the food. वह बहुत अच्छी बातें करता है. He talks very nicely. He talks very nicely. वह मेरे साथ आएगा. He will come with me. वह मेरे साथ आएगा. He will come with me. मैं तुम्हें कभी नहीं भूल सकता. I can never forget you. I can never forget you. तुम्हारी तरह कोई नहीं है. There is no one like you. There is no one like you. बच्चों को खिलौने चाहिए. Children need toys. बच्चों को खिलौने चाहिए. Children need toys. यह जगह शांत है. This place is peaceful. This place is peaceful. वह यह काम कर सकती है. She can do this job. She can do this job. तुम यहाँ क्यों रो रहे हो? Why are you crying here? Why are you crying here? वह बोर्ड पर लिख रहा है. He is writing on the board. He is writing on the board. मैं बच्चों को शिक्षा दे रहा हूँ. I am educating the children. I am educating the children. उसने बहुत सारे प्रश्न पूछे. He has asked many questions. He has asked many questions. मैं समय पर पहुंचूंगा. I will arrive on time. I will arrive on time. हमें इंतज़ार करने दो. Let us wait. Let us wait. मैं तुम्हें बता दूंगा. I will tell you. मैं तुम्हें बता दूंगा. I will tell you. मैं समय पर पहुंच जाऊंगा. I will reach on time. I will reach on time. कृपया मदद करें. Please help. कृपया मदद करें. Please help. आप किसके साथ आ रहे हैं? Who are you coming with? Who are you coming with? तुम कहाँ जा सकते हो? Where can you go? तुम कहाँ जा सकते हो? Where can you go? तुम्हें कौन सा विषय पसंद है? Which subject do you like? Which subject do you like? मैं विराम ले रहा हूँ. I am taking a break. I am taking a break. हम समय बचा रहे हैं. We are saving time. हम समय बचा रहे हैं. We are saving time.